weekend to get the Lakers, Clippers, and Kings memorabilia all at a discount price.
KTLA's Olga Ospina went to downtown Los Angeles to browse.
All sales are final. No returns, no refunds, no exchanges. Does anyone have any questions?
It's the weekend many LA sports fans have been waiting for.
Save up all year for this.
Official team merchandise from the Lakers, the Clippers, and the Kings at huge discounts.
Prices are great. I come here every year. This is my 5th year coming here.
Up to 90% off retail prices.
All the t-shirts, all the cups, 2009 championship. That was only $5.
Check out this $5 aisle. Everything you see here is only $5. Some of this stuff retailing for over $50. They've got the t-shirts, they have the caps, they have the cool beats to cheer on your favorite team, and over here at the end, they even have the cool player bobbleheads. $5.
Another great deal for fans, the grab bag.
Just jam as much as they can in there, and then they just pay $50. So in some cases, they could have 25 to 30 T-shirts, 20 T-shirts, 10 hats.
This Laker fan got in on the bargain.
About 20 to 25 shirts. Just roll them up as small as you can, and, you know, it was cool.
There's also a sale on game-used merchandise from the Kings.
It's actually used by the players in the games. We have game-used jerseys. That's the biggest draw. We do have some helmets and some gloves.
These big-ticket items normally running up to $1,000. This weekend, 40% off.
Exciting, waiting to see what else there is out there.
Jerseys, t-shirts, jackets, caps, rad hands, and more on sale through tomorrow at the lot across from ESPN Zone in downtown Los Angeles.
This is 75% off.
Nice.
So that's a good deal.
In downtown LA, Olga Ospina, KTLA 5 News.